Hi, this is Corey with GivingYouCredit.com, here today with another Kick Your Creditors' Assets moment. I'm here today to discuss 3 tips that you can do right now to increase your clients' credit scores 15 points in the next 15 days. Number 1, pay down debt to 10 to 15% of your high credit limit. Now, if you don't know where to find your high credit limit, you can always look to a copy of your credit report. You can begin by looking just to the right of the creditor's name, such as Capital One, Sears, HSBC, etc. You'll see a little box that says HCL, and that stands for your high credit limit. For example, if you have a Capital One card that has a credit card limit of say $1,000 and you owe $900, then you're currently at 90% of your high credit limit. As a result of this high limit, you're going to be negatively scored because you're near your limit, which makes creditors pretty nervous. By paying this account down to 10 to 15% of the high credit limit, you're going to increase your credit scores 10 to 15 points in less than 10 days. Number 2, after you've paid down these accounts to a lower balance, you can request what's known as a credit score rating review. Here's how this whole thing works. It's really cool. You call up Capital One Bank or any other one of your creditors and ask them, what's your current interest rate? They'll of course tell you what that is. Then you want to ask them how your payment history has been. Have you been on time? Now once you're satisfied with those answers, you can request a credit score rating review. Now the customer service representative that you're talking with is going to put you on hold for just a moment, because what they're doing in the background is running a soft credit inquiry. So they're looking at your credit report. And now just so you know, it's not going to damage your credit score, so you don't have to worry about that. They'll come back on the phone and they're going to ask you how much of a line increase you're looking for. You want to respond, what do you feel comfortable with? Now, I know it's exciting to ask for a $10,000 line of credit, but just don't do that, because you want to be approved. Remember, credit card companies are just like banks. They offer lines of credit to people that just don't need it. Number 3, become an authorized user. Now, several years ago, they were doing away with these authorized users. Thankfully, somebody got smart and recognized that more than 20% of all mortgage loan applications in process at any time involve people that have authorized users accounts already on their credit report. Now that would have been a massive, massive impact to the real estate industry, and thankfully they didn't do that. So becoming an authorized user is a valuable tool to get an extra 15 points in 15 days. The only thing you want to make sure of when you're added to a card is that the card that you're being added to has never had any late payments, is 5 years or older, and has a credit limit of $5,000 or more. So by following any of these strategies, you'll be able to increase your client's credit scores 15 points in the next 15 days. This is Corey with GivingYouCredit.com, here with another Kick Your Creditors' Assets moment. If you have any comments or any questions, you're welcome to email me at Corey@GivingYouCredit.com or check out GivingYouCredit.com. Our phone number is 858-270-0251. And for even faster credit score improvements, check out www.fixmyreport.com. Until next time, keep an eye on your credit. Bye-bye.